Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha at home. First, you'll need a SCOBY, which is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, along with black or green tea, sugar, and filtered water. Brew about 4 cups of strong tea, then dissolve 1 cup of sugar into the hot tea. Let it cool completely to room temperature before adding your SCOBY and 1 cup of starter liquid. Once your sweet tea is cool, gently combine it with your SCOBY and starter liquid in a clean, wide-mouth glass jar. Cover the jar with a coffee filter or a piece of cloth secured with a rubber band to allow airflow while keeping out contaminants. Let this mixture ferment for 7 to 10 days at room temperature, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. After the first fermentation, carefully remove the SCOBY and about 2 cups of the fermented tea to use as starter liquid for your next batch. Now, it's time to flavor your kombucha. Add your favorite fruits, fruit juices, or spices directly into airtight bottles. Fill the bottles with your fermented kombucha, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Seal your flavored bottles tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 1 to 3 days to build carbonation. This is called the second fermentation. Once it's fizzy to your liking, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. This will slow down the fermentation process and preserve the carbonation and flavor. Enjoy your delicious, homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.